Welcome to Technia TV. I am Rakesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Technia Institute of Advanced Study. Today we will discuss about the research method. Research method is the most important tool which used to do research. Is a broad term while method of data collection and data analysis represent the core of research method. You have to address a range of additional element within the scope of your research. There are two types of research. One is quantitative research and second one is qualitative research. In these types of research, mainly census, survey, case study, content analysis or observation methods are used in social science research. The following table we present the main difference between the qualitative and quantitative research methods. Difference. First, they are categorized in the various scope. First is the characteristics, types of data. Quantitative research should be the phenomenon are described numerically, and in qualitative research, phenomenon are described in narrative fashion. Analysis. Descriptive and interferential statistics, and second one is identification of major scheme. Scope of inquiry. In qualitative research, specify question or hypothesis, and in quantitative research, broad thematic concern. In primary advantage, large sample statistical validity accurately reflected and population, and in qualitative research, reach in-depth narrative description of the sample. In primary disadvantage, superficial understanding of the participants through and the feeling, and in the qualitative research, a small sample not generalizable to the population at the large. Now in the first method, it is the survey. Survey research is the one of the most important method in the applied social research. It's the scientific methodology, data collection from the individual or the usually sample from the large population. Purpose for conducting survey is description, exploration and explanation. A survey can be anything from the short paper and pencil feedback from a intensive one-to-one with the depth interview. Reason to conduct survey research. The most crucial and integral reason for the conducting research using survey is that you can collect answer regarding definite significant questions. These questions can be asked in multiple formats as per the target audience and its intent of the survey. Before designing a survey, every organization must figure out the object of carrying this out so that the survey can be structured, planned and executed to the perfections. While doing the survey, questions that need to be your mind while designing a survey, these are the first, the primary aim of conducting the survey. Why we are doing the survey? Second one is how do you plan to utilize or collect the survey data? That means you have to plan that how can you identify your data. Third is the types of decision you plan to take on the basis of the above mentioned point. These are the three most important reasons why an organization must conduct the survey research. In the survey research scale, there are mainly four types of scale for the measurement of the variables. On this scale, we prepared survey questionnaire with the proper measurement. One is the nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale and the ratio scale, which we will discuss later. Types of survey. There are basically four types of survey. One is online survey. Online survey is the method to collect data through online, such as a Google survey, online form, email, where we can upload questionnaire on the website or send through email and get this response through same process. In this method, we cannot force to respondent to give all questions answer, and also if respondent not understanding our question, then also he or she unable to give correct answer. In this survey, respondents are free to give correct answer or not. We can't force. That's why this survey we unable to collect accurate data related to our subject. Second one is paper survey. Paper survey is the method to collecting data through the paper means in the written form, such as the questionnaire schedule in the print format. In this survey, we give one paper to the respondent in which many questionnaires are listed in the proper format and respondent fill all the questions answer. If respondent are not unable to understand any question, then we are available there to give the suggestions. Third point is the telephonic survey. This survey conducted through the telephone. We have to take appointment of any respondent related to our topic one day before, then we conduct this survey. Last point is one-to-one interview. It's the very best survey method. In this survey, we meet respondent one-to-one and with the proper system, then we conduct interview. In this process, we ask cross question to our respondent and respondent have to give your answer. I hope you understand all this point. For more video, like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.